Hi friends, how many of you agree with me that midlife crisis is the outcome of we being in comfort zone for many years? The real problem with midlife crisis is we don't know exactly what we are going to do in near future because being in comfort zone we became dispensable. So in the comfort zone we stop learning new things which is really required in the current age. This is exactly what I experienced when I left my career after 22 years of my IT experience. I didn't know exactly what I'm going to do in the future, but I was very clear that I didn't want to be in comfort zone at all. Today, after decades of my experience as an entrepreneur, as a creative person, I found out what was the real gap. And at the same time, I found out a solution to bridge the gap. You will be happy to know that by following three simple steps, you will find a concrete path with great confidence and conviction to experience meaningful life forward. If you have a strong urge to come out of comfort zone and lead a meaningful life, then you cannot miss this opportunity. Only limited seats are available since I'm offering this as a free course. What are you waiting for? Click the link below. I'll see you on the other side of the program. Thank you.